Hey, Lou, Norman, talking about different ways to start up the car in the wintertime.
Good morning, Lou.
Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Tom. Yes, we're still talking about the ability to start your vehicle up, get it warm, defrost the windows, and help you get to work on time. Makes it so much nicer. Now, in the previous Tech Talks, we talked about how the simple addition of adding a remote start does not automatically void the warranty in your vehicle, so that's good. Make sure you go to a reputable shop. Also, we talked about the remote controls and how some of the remote controls can actually give you feedback and tell you if your vehicle's outside running. That's great if you work somewhere where you don't have windows and you can't see your vehicle. But there are still people that emailed me and called me and said, hey, I work in a low level in a building downtown. I park far away. I don't care what you tell me. Those remote starts just don't work for me. Do you have anything? Well, actually, we do. It's a smartphone app that you can put on your phone, and from your phone, you can start your vehicle. So even if you don't have a cell phone signal, as long as you have a connection with the outside world, like perhaps a Wi-Fi signal, you can start your vehicle directly from your phone. Or maybe you've ran into work and you're wondering and thinking to yourself, oh, geez, did I lock my doors? Well, hit the button on your phone and you can make sure that your doors are locked. There is a cost for this service. It runs anywhere between $3.33 a month to $5 a month, billed annually. But it's a great way to start your vehicle, and you can use this and not have to have an extra remote control on your keys. So with more ways to start your vehicle, I'm Lou, Tracy and Tom, back to you.
You know what, a couple weeks ago, I was in the Erie insurance arena, and I had already gone through the gates of security and everything, and I thought, oh no, did I lock my car? Did you lock the car? This would have helped with that.
Absolutely. All right, Lou, you got it.
Now you tell me.
The vision says it all. Thank you, Lou. Looking forward to talking to you soon.